Okay, today we're doing the winner of this nail pincher. As you can see on my page, we have 11 entries with Susie Smith being number 11 and Envy Nails being number 1. Okay, so we're going to go to random.org, and I've put in from 1 to 11. And now we're going to generate number 11. So that is Susan Smith. Susan Smith is number 11. Susie Smith. So, Miss Susie Smith, please contact me with your information, and I will send out your new nail pincher. Oh, and rhinestone picker-upper. Multiple uses. Okay. Well, thanks for viewing. I'll be doing another giveaway, and my new giveaway, I will be giving away a gel brush, a nylon gel brush. And I'll post a video of that later. Thanks for watching, and thanks for entering. Bye-bye.